What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please go hit that subscribe button. But hey guys, it is a rainy day at the university, and Jemiah is currently almost taking my head off every second with the umbrella. It is not it is not only raining, but it's also cold outside. Rain and cold is not a very good combination, but God, I'm not mad at you, and I'm not questioning you for the rain. She's smiling at me, and I just got a new subscriber at my channel. I love those umbrellas. I really want one. But look, guys, it's a rainy day at the university. So this is all the rainy people and the rainy day. And this is the Grove. That's the Grove, and this is the people. And these are called wet khakis. But yeah, so advice for rainy days. Be prepared. Do not leave your bed without checking the weather. Don't come out in shorts like that girl I just passed down the street.
Shorts and rain boots.
She got on shorts and rain boots, baby. Rain boots don't help your shorts. Make sure you're prepared for the rain. Number 2, save your absences for rainy, wet days. Don't be like Jemiah, texting your professors, oh, I have a virus, I can't get out.
You putting that on there.
Girl, he is not finna watch this.
You don't know.
He not finna watch this. Anyway, save your absences for rainy, wet days, because you're gonna need it. My chin got like 8 of them. Girl. Guys, this is Eli. Hey, Eli. We're from the same town. We had calculus together, and
I think get your ass out because I'm not standing in this movie.
Like history or something.
Okay.
Also, to all the girls that wear extensions, get wet and wavy. Get wet and wavy hair. Cause I got hair and clean underwear. Okay, one of those are a lot. Can you guess which one? I'm just playing. I got hair and clean underwear. And I can put it in the bun. Which one's a lie? Can you guess the lie? No, I don't have hair.
Wow.
And I can put it. No, the lie is I can't put it in the bun. And I can put it in the bun. And I can put it in the bun.
I smell food already.
I swear. We ain't even made it there yet, but I swear I can smell it. I smell them hash browns, and they better have some hash browns. But it's only 2 minutes.
Motherfucker, don't be speeding up.
Hey, Christina. How are you? That's my first time seeing her on campus. She's also from Tupelo. Huh? She's from Tupelo. We go to the same church. This is Jerome. You're like, well, girl, my name ain't no Jerome. Ow!
Shit, my bad. That one me. These damn tights don't act like they don't want to stay up on our bed.
Her hair is so cute. I wonder is that a real bun?
Girl.
Oh, for real? I never know. They be getting it looking so real. But hey, is that real?
Oh, my hair. Business row.
Oh.
This is where everything happens.
It looks so dead right now, though. I'm going to show you Business Row on a busy day, guys, but this is Business Row today. Are we walking this way or through there?
Straight.
Okay. This is Business Row. And that's the library. The real library, not the library you go party at. You know, you text your mom at 2 a.m. Mom, I'm at the library.
That's what I see.
What is the Lyceum? I don't even know what that is.
That's the Lyceum.
What?
The Lyceum right there behind you.
Yeah, whatever she said. But yeah.
That's a place that says haunted and the ghost opening. Like
Ooh.
2 or 1.
Ooh. I like her hat, guys. Y'all can ship me a hat.
Oh, shit.
That is a free cup that I'm about to get. I just got a free Starbucks cup. Yeet. Hello. This is a good thumbnail. Hey, hold this up so I can get the thumbnail. Okay. More advice for rainy days.
Don't wear tights.
Yeah, and don't wear tennis shoes either. I won't wear tennis. Are you wearing tennis shoes?
Yeah.
I don't like wearing tennis shoes. I wore tennis shoes my first couple of weeks here. I had rain boots. I just wore tennis shoes.
Is that
But
Jordan that missed the play?
huh?
That girl that missed our play.
Where? Nah, that ain't her. But I was like trying to jump over puddles and stuff, and I just think walking through with rain boots is so much easier. Cause there's a lot of people. Everybody trying to jump over the same puddle between classes, and everybody getting out around the same time and stuff. So I just think it's easier just to wear rain boots. But I mean, you mostly gonna see tennis shoes out in the rain. Oh, the rain's slacking now. Slack-a-lacking. Well, slack-a-lacking, dog pound. Are you walking this way or this way?
Why we don't walk that way? We right here.
Oh yeah, because then we gotta walk up all those stairs. Okay, guys, over here, if you watch my dorm tour, you will know over there is my dorm. Well, I didn't show y'all outside, but I'm just saying that's what my dorm is.
Damn, my back hurt.
They're like somebody I know. What up, Dre? He is looking like he know me. He probably know you, Jemiah. Oh, I do know him. He be at the gym. Hey, friend. Oh, he heard me. I ought to throw some in his head. I don't know his name, though. Dre. Keyshawn. Will. Henry. Jonathan. James. He probably had them little AirPods in. That's why I don't like the AirPods. I can't tell. Cause headphones, I know headphones. I just know not to speak to people. Oh, I forgot to check how many swipes I had. Y'all, your girl ain't got that many swipes left. We are at Paul B. Johnson Commons because this is where we go eat. Also known as the Rebel Market, also known as the JC. We're here to get some breakfast. Are they gonna make me swipe my card if I don't want to eat? Cause I'm really not hungry. I just came with you, to be honest. Oh, they get on my nerves. Oh, he's so fake. He came and ate with me and KK yesterday, so we were like, oh, we should do. He was like, yeah, I really enjoy eating with you. I was like, yeah, we should do it some other time. He's like, yeah, totally. It's like, yeah, tomorrow. And he was like, oh, I have class tomorrow. He's like, yeah, we do too. And it was like, okay, well, in between class, whatever. But I'm gonna ask her because I'm really not gonna eat. I don't eat breakfast. I have a question. If I'm not eating, do I have to swipe my card? Why? That's kind of scary. That's kind of scary. What happened? I'm scared. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He was like, I need to speak to her until I asked her for my number.
Oh, my God. Must be acting so scared.
Yeah.
I be looking mean, probably.
When she said that, I was like, look, she's not like that. Talk to her.
Oh, Lord. Okay, thank you. I just came with her today. What's up, you guys? That's my cousin anyway. That girl up there. But when I came here, I didn't know that was my cousin. I'm crying because I'm just so happy to be living my dream. Like, hi. She lives in my dorm. I'm just so happy to be living my dream. Like, I've dreamed to come to the University of Mississippi since I was a little girl. And, like, to just be walking and see this 1848 everywhere. It's just a dream come true. You know.
I guess the car has been driving by.
She's getting, this is the breakfast at the JC, guys. I'm a good freaking friend because I could be napping right now, but you know what I mean. That looks yum yum. Delicioso. I mean, yo. Hey, girl. Good, how are you?
Is it still recording?
Yes. I'm about to get off though. Look at my pants. My zipper don't work. It stopped right here. But these pants cost a lot of money, so I'm gonna wear the heck out of them. For real. It's our American Eagles. They don't even fit right. I don't know why I bought them. They make my booty look real flat. Real flat. But guys, I just wanted to give y'all a video and talk to y'all today. So please subscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, say hey. It's kind of a vlog, kind of not. I guess it is, but yeah. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like and comment. Heck yeah. So have a great day and yeah, goodbye.